We've had this mirror installed for over a month now, and I don't think there is a cooler mirror than this. So let me show you up close. Now, we have it in our kids' bathroom. So they bathe right over here. We allow them, because we're the coolest parents on the planet, to watch Netflix and watch kid programming. Let me tell you, my girls take more baths than I think any other kid. They must be the cleanest kids because they cannot wait to get in the bathtub. We also do have educational apps as well downloaded, so they can do educational programming on there. There is like everything on this mirror. It is so cool. Now you can also just turn that off and have a regular mirror. It's a gorgeous mirror. You have lighting options. And then it also defogs. So it defaults to having the defogging going on, but I think that's such a cool feature. I just love the way it's backlit. It's nice and thick as well. It looks amazing, and it is so impressive when people walk in and there's literally a TV in here. And we also, if you have parties, like Tour de France was just going on, we had the Tour de France race playing in the bathroom. How cool is that? This is our guest bathroom as well. The functionality of this mirror is so cool. We are like using probably 1/10 of all the cool things you can do with it. So definitely get this if you're into tech, if you want to have the most amazing mirror, if you have kids that refuse to take baths, well, let me tell you, your kids will never get out of the bathtub if you allow them to watch a Netflix show or an educational show. And love this mirror. It's amazing. And I think you're going to love it as well.